Imagine being 19 years old, having your bright future derailed by disease. Instead of a dorm room at college or university, you get a hospital room. Christina Howard shares with us one young woman's story during Organ and Tissue Donation Awareness Week.
Justin Bieber isn't backing her like he did Helene Campbell, and media aren't following her every move. But Misty Dudley needs a kidney nonetheless, and she needs it badly.
Anybody's hoping not to come to this.
This is Dialysis, a satellite clinic in Chatham that 26-year-old Misty calls home 3 days a week, where a machine cleans her blood much like her kidneys are supposed to.
What your kidneys are doing, mine aren't. So I need a machine to help.
Misty takes an active role in her care, recording health statistics and resetting the machine. But managing her health has become her full-time job, a big step away from the social worker she aspired to be as a teen.
I had to take a whole new path, not being able to go to college, with having to come here, having to deal with the different specialists, and then eventually not being able to work anymore.
Right now, she only has one goal.
My hope is to have my transplant and get my life back on track.
Although O positive, the most common blood type, Misty hasn't been able to find a live donor. She's been waiting 2.5 years.
We had a candidate who was close.
Ultimately, it didn't work out, and so Misty, like 1,100 other Ontarians, is on the waiting list for a kidney. This pager is her lifeline. If it goes off, it means her kidney has come in. And when that pager goes off, Misty will travel here to LHSC's University Hospital. It's the transplant center for an area that stretches from Sudbury down to Windsor, and where 170 transplants were performed last year.
For people to get off dialysis, those that had a liver and just not felt well for years, or a heart, for some of them it's absolutely life and death. If they do not get a transplant, they will not survive.
Misty just wants a second chance at a life she hasn't had a chance to lead, one she's dreamed of for 7 years.
I'm going to school. I'm going to get my life back on track, and hopefully make a difference to anybody.
Christina Howard, CTV News.